Hello?
Hello, ma'am. My name is Daniel from U.S. Pharmacy. Ma'am, this call is regarding your medication.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am. My name is Daniel from U.S. Pharmacy. This call is regarding your medication, sir.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am. Do you take any medication?
Yes. I'm
Which,
sorry.
ma'am?
Could you say that again?
Ma'am, which medications do you take?
Tomorrow?
Asthma. Hello?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, Mr. Jeffrey?
Your voice,
Hey,
it,
Mr.
just,
Jeffrey.
it reminds me of someone I know. Huh. That's
sorry.
great. Sorry, I got
Sorry,
distracted by it. Keep going. It's just really similar. Sorry, keep going.
So, ma'am, you take the inhaler, right? All right. So we have the
Wow,
albuterol
okay.
and ethylene. We have
Hold on
albuterol
one
and
second.
ethylene.
Get the dog out of the microwave. Get it out of the microwave. I don't care if it's this.
I'm so sorry.
All right.
Kids are very rambunctious. Okay. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. We have albuterol and ethylene.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Okay.
And it will be cost you like, if you go for like three inhaler, all right, 3 inhaler
Wow,
will cost
okay.
you $100.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And it will be like 250 mcg albuterol.
Mm-hmm.
No. Get it. No. Do not. Open the door. Get the dog out of the microwave. Absolutely not. That's not how you make a hot dog. Take it out. That's ridiculous. Honey, get the dog. Will you please just get the kids out of the kitchen? I'm on the phone right now. Yeah. I'm trying to talk to somebody. Just thank you. I'm very sorry. Could you go back over that last part? I'm so sorry. Everybody's a little crazy around here.
Yes. So what I was saying, ma'am, I will provide you like 3 inhalers for an amount of $100, and it will be a 250 mcg.
Okay. Uh-huh.
So how many inhaler you want? Like
Got
how
it.
many inhaler do you consume a week? Hello?
This sounds too good to be true. Is this for real?
Yes, ma'am, it's real.
Okay.
Hello?
Uh-huh.
Tell me how much inhaler do you need?
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm sorry. Could you repeat that again? I'm so sorry.
Hello? Hello? Ma'am, how many inhalers